Hey everybody, it's been a while since I've done an unboxing, and this right here is a box that I received probably a month ago, and it's just been so busy with family and other activities, work, just haven't really put aside the time to do a video. It's not a firearm actually, it is surplus, something I got off of the Royal Tiger Imports website. Something that they had available a while back, but then they ran out. It's an ammo box, a wooden ammo box from the Korean War era, 30-06. So I thought, for $39.99, I thought it'd be a neat thing to have, to add to the collection of wartime memorabilia. So I'm gonna go ahead and unveil it, and it looks unfortunately they don't have the hardware on here. They left, I don't know why they didn't include the hardware. That would have been neat to have had the strap that goes over here and the screws, but it is what it is. For $39.99, what do you expect? Small arms ammunition, Lot RA, serial number, and here's the rest of it. Let's see if we can get it out of here. They actually have these boxes for sale with the ammo in them. I think they go for around $400. That's okay. I'll take an empty box. Alright, here we go. It's out. Let's get rid of this box. Alright, so here we go. What does it say on the side? Nothing. Alright, here. It says 384 caliber 30 in 8-round clips. Oh, this is the nice part. I like this part. The little flaming bomb and the cross cannons. Well, you can see some of it here. Yeah, they gave me one of the lesser desirable boxes for all the business I've given them. I guess they didn't put that into any thought, but would have been nice to have gotten a nicer box. But it's okay. I'm all right with it. I'm just gonna clean it up, and it's something to put stuff in. Plenty of stuff. Need places to put stuff. So there you have it. Little short unboxing video, and I did place an order yesterday for something. I won't say what it is, but it's going to be a neat addition to the collection. That should be getting soon, and I'll be sharing that unboxing. Anyway, thanks for watching, and if you like the video, give it a thumbs up, and feel free to subscribe. It helps. Appreciate all those that do give me thumbs ups and that have subscribed. I appreciate your support. Thank you very much. Have a nice evening.